Chalutatillaana Kadridadim Topradim Takidadim Tanadim 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 Tadim 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 Tillana Dim 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 Chalutatillaana Kadridadim Topradim Takidadim Tanadim 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 Tadim 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 Tillana Dim 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 Chalutatillaana
Hello guys, after having a quick tour of Badami caves which took about 2 hours or 2 to 2.5 hours, we have come here to this place called Pattadakal. Pattadakal, Badami and Aihole, as I told you earlier, forms the trio of the cave complex as well as the temples in this area which were built by the Chalukyas. So right behind me is the Pattadakal and I am actually walking backwards so that I can talk and show you the images of the temples at the same time. This place is around 24 kilometers from Badami and it is a must visit if you come to Badami. So this place has got a little bit of Jain temples and most of them are Hindu temples like the Shiva temples, and they were also built by the Chalukya kings. I will be explaining to you as I go through each temple as to who built them, and then that way you will know better about the temple's history as well as the origins from where the temple came into being. The style of the temple architecture is actually a confluence between the North Indian and the South Indian styles. This is called the Dravidian school of architecture. The South Indian style of temple building had not yet taken roots in this part of the country, and that's the reason why these temples have a confluence of two styles, and they were still developing the South Indian style. Actually, this is very similar to the temples that you see in Khajuraho. The things you notice while coming to these complexes these days is the fact that these areas are very cleanly maintained. You hardly see any filth on the ground. There is the toilet facilities are adequate, and the maintenance of these facilities really has gone up a notch from earlier times, definitely. There are inscriptions on the temple walls with information on rulers who made contributions to the temple. The outer walls of the temple are adorned with images of Vishnu, Varaha, Shiva and other floral designs. The temple also has inscriptions dated 1162 AD from the reign of Kalyani Chalukyas.